Hello class. This week we looked at media literacy and the deconstruction of media messages. For our activity, let's work on applying what we've learned by deconstructing a media message. To overview our exercise, each of us will select a print advertisement to deconstruct by applying the framework we discussed this week. You will then pair your advertisement and a summary of your analysis on a poster to share with the class. To begin, we are going to look at Duke University's Ad Access site. A link is included in our written assignment instructions. Ad Access is an unparalleled digital collection of advertisements from throughout the 20th century. Your first step is to identify an advertisement that you find intriguing. Take your time exploring the site and definitely take advantage of the search tool to find ads that align with your personal interests. Once you've selected your ad, ensure you have permission to download and share your image by reviewing the Duke University Library's copyright and citation page. Then follow the proper protocol to share and cite your selected image. If you have questions about how to collect information for your citation, visit the Duke University Library's Help Topics page and click on Item Information. Next, from within Blackboard, review the Materials and Resources section this week and watch the presentation on deconstructing media messages. When you're finished, apply the framework you learned to draft your analysis and head over to piktochart or a similar application to put it all together. To begin using piktochart, you will need to create an account, which you can create from scratch, or you can link to your existing school Gmail account, as I have. Next, you will want to select a format for your poster. I'm going to use a blank canvas by selecting Create a New Piktochart under Create Your Own. Then I'm going to select Poster. Now that I have my blank canvas, I'm going to add a title to my poster. My next step is to add my advertisement to my poster. I'm going to have to upload the image into piktochart by clicking on Uploads and then selecting the image from my computer. To expedite this process, I've already saved the advertisement from the Ad Access website, and this particular image I had permission to do so under fair use. Once you see your image over here on the side, I'm going to drag it over to my poster. I think I've left myself enough room to put my text. Next, I'm going to add my image citation using the citation format from the Ad Access website. I'm going to accomplish this by clicking on Text, and then I want it rather small. So of all the different text types here, I think body text is the most appropriate. I'm going to just click on that, and then I got my little body text text box popped up here. So I'm going to paste in my citation. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. To left justified text, and then just place it underneath my image. If I can grab it here. Oops, did not mean to do that. Since we're looking at boxes, since this is a poster infographic program, there are all kinds of different stylized text boxes that you can add as well if you want to get a little more creative with your project. I'm going to continue adding text to my poster so that way I can cover all the different areas of my analysis and have my summaries here on the poster. And since this is a visual presentation, I will probably play around with some of these more stylized options so that way my poster is not only informative, but it's nice to look at too. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to preview it to make sure I like how it looks. And then when I'm done with that, I will share it to get myself a link that can be used to share the poster with peers. And there's my link. Once you have your poster completed, post a share link for your poster in this week's discussion board. Review the poster shared by your peers and comment on at least 2 to wrap up this week's assignment. I look forward to what you come up with. Let me know if you have any questions.